Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the concept behind the native HANA modeling and BW4HANA modeling. Sometimes we are having questions or we need clarification like how the native HANA modeling looks like and how the BW4HANA modeling looks like. So I will try to explain these two scenarios so that you can understand it well what is the difference between native HANA and BW4HANA. So let me draw the scenario here, and in our this HANA scenarios we are having three part. One is the HANA database, next we have the NetWeaver, and now we are having the BW4HANA. And now let me tell you this. These are the three main fundamental object, or you can say the pillars of this modeling, where we are having the HANA DB that we are calling as the HANA database. So where it contains tables. Let me write the tables, and we can create calculation views here for uh, any kinds of the business objective or whatever requirement comes up. So we do it by calculation views. And now we will create another scenario. Let me just do it. And here let me just write here. Yes. Now, so this is my the BW frontend and the HANA frontend. Now this one is the HANA Studio. Just let me write it. You'll get to know what is this. So this is my modeler. So modeler is connected with your HANA DB. Meaning that whatever calculation views or tables, whatever you have, you have to access through the system called modeler, and it is a part of this whole box. So whatever I'm writing here, it is a part of HANA Studio or Eclipse that we call. So this only particular part we call as native HANA analytics or native HANA modeling. Now we will be moving into the BW4HANA. So before going to the BW4HANA, just let me write here. We have this BW modeling tools. So using these BW modeling tools, we can create the objects such as ADO source and so other BW things like process sense and so on. And so this one is connected. The BW modeling tool is connected with BW HANA. So here in this tutorial, actually I'm going to explain that what tools or we're going to use it, and also what is when we call it native HANA and BW HANA. And now in the native this NetWeaver, what we create such as ABAP program, we create AMDP, we create CDS views, and what tools we're going to use in HANA Studio, that is ADT. ADT is the ABAP development tool. And this one is connected like this. So now we are clear about the concept, like when we are calling native HANA, the below part, when you don't have the BW front end and so on. So that what we call native HANA analytics or native HANA modeling, and BW4 HANA comes with your the BW HANA and also the NetWeaver that you can also access for such as ABAP program MDP. That's the whole scenario that what every consultant needs to know. Thank you for watching. I hope I would provide you the information you need. Thank you for watching, and please comment below whatever more things you want to know about BW4 HANA or native HANA. Thank you.